Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting transformations in the automotive world, the 2025 Honda Civic Luxury V5 motorhome. Honda has taken its iconic Civic and reimagined it into a fully equipped motorhome, blending style, comfort, and practicality into one incredible package. At first glance, the exterior maintains the Civic's signature sporty look, but with a few key modifications. The extended wheelbase and raised roof give it a unique presence on the road, while the aerodynamic design ensures it remains fuel-efficient despite the added weight. LED headlights, a bold front grille, and sleek body lines make this motorhome as stylish as it is functional. Now, let's step inside, where Honda has truly redefined what it means to travel in comfort. The cabin is designed with high-end materials, featuring soft leather seats, ambient lighting, and a modern dashboard with a massive touchscreen infotainment system. This system controls everything from climate settings to navigation, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Moving towards the rear, the motorhome aspect comes to life. A cleverly designed living space includes a compact kitchenette with a built-in induction cooktop, a sink with running water, and a small refrigerator, perfect for road trips or off-grid adventures. There's also a cozy seating area that effortlessly converts into a sleeping space, allowing for a comfortable night's rest no matter where you park. Honda has also prioritized smart storage solutions. Overhead compartments, under-seat storage, and foldable furniture maximize space, making it easy to bring along everything you need. And for those who love technology, this model is packed with smart features, including voice control for lighting and temperature, wireless charging stations, and even a solar panel system to keep your devices powered when you're off the grid. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Civic Luxury V5 motorhome is powered by an advanced hybrid system, offering impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the ride is smooth, responsive, and enjoyable. Plus, Honda's latest safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensure peace of mind on every journey. So, is the Civic Luxury V5 motorhome the future of travel? With its blend of comfort, efficiency, and modern tech, it certainly makes a strong case. Let us know in the comments what you think about this unique motorhome conversion.